Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Yeah, I know it's on its side, right? Alright, it's on its side for a reason, guys. This is a ATV emergency gas tank repair. And what I did is I located where the hole was down in there. Right there. I took a drill with a burr, little carbide burr bit on it. Roughed the surface up good, cleaned it off with carb cleaner. Got it all dried up. Then I use that brake cleaner right there. Then I use this Magnum stick right here, epoxy. Right. I actually threw the wrapper away over here. But it says on the thing, it says resistant to gas, oil, water, antifreeze right there. So we're gonna try it. Okay. Magnum steel epoxy stick. Sets like steel in 5 minutes. Well, I give it more than 5 minutes, folks. Alright, but I put that up in there, pressed it up really good and firm, you know, made sure it was sticking to the tank there. So we'll see. We'll bring you back. Alright folks, time to roll it over and see if that leaks. Alright, I'll put you over here, hopefully. See if I can find a place. Out in the yard here, it's kind of hard. She was leaking pretty good, dripping pretty good. So, we'll see if she does now. It looks dry. I think if it was going to leak, it would have already started. Alright, that's what we do for an emergency gas tank repair. Alright.